Greetings, my name is Craig Downing. I am the Associate Dean for Lifelong Learning and Professor of Engineering Management at Rose-Hulman Institute of Technology. I think one of the primary reasons I was excited about the opportunity to participate in the Expedite Skills for Industry pilot program was the fact that it provided an industry-recognized, quality-assured set of academic experiences that provide our students with an element of marketability that augments their baccalaureate degrees. I believe the value of the Expedite Skills for Industry micro-credential can nicely underline the value of a traditional engineering education by highlighting in context how the skills, the theory, the experiences may play out in a particular context. Oftentimes, providing students with a theoretical background in a vacuum and no practical application can cause harm. But by using the micro-credential to bring in a realistic perspective, an in-the-field experience, if you will, it allows the combination or a synergy between our academic theory, our classroom activities, lab activities, and then to wrap that around in a micro-credential, that is a marriage made in heaven. The current marketplace for students is contracting and expanding, and students want to be prepared to take advantage of the opportunities placed before them. As such, what we find is that students oftentimes will take their traditional baccalaureate degree and then add on credentials that are specific to a discipline or they're specific to an area of concentration. The micro-credential allows them to do that. It is offered in a flexible modality that gives the student to exercise time management and professional skills to enhance their marketability and showcase a new set of skills and understanding that are related to the industries in which they may enter. I think one of the other exciting parts about this is that the students are asking for these types of experiences. They know that an institution cannot be all things for all students, but when we have viable partners that are providing complementary educational experiences that give them the mindset, the perspective of being a value-added engineer, they're really looking forward to those opportunities. I wish that industry knew that engineering education cannot continue to evolve without their input. In many cases, engineering education thought of industry as a conduit for financial giving. However, in many organizations in education, we are looking for information. That is a currency that has a great utility for us, because it allows us to deliver the products, deliver the educational experience, and create the best engineers, scientists, and mathematicians that will ultimately provide value to them. This equation is really about the return on investment. It's their return on investing in us to help produce the best employees for which they can actually provide great dividends to their organizations.